I'm back in the course project, and now in the report view, so in this option here, you can see that we already created 2 pages, page 1 and page 2 in here, and these 2 pages together form a so-called report. A report can consist of a single page or multiple pages, but each individual Power BI desktop project can only contain one single report. So you have one report with 1 or multiple pages and 1 or multiple visuals. To create a new page, you can either click onto this plus symbol down here, this yellow one. Alternatively, you can go to the insert ribbon up here and there go to the new page option to the left. By selecting this, you can either decide if you want to add a blank page or if you want to create a duplicate of the existing page. The blank page option is only available here, and by clicking onto this plus symbol, as mentioned, the duplicate option can be found up here, and also by right-clicking onto the page that you might want to duplicate and there selecting this option. We will keep this page for this lecture only, so this duplicate page, and play around here a bit with some of the core options in the report view. So let's first get started by renaming this page, which we can either do by right-clicking it and selecting rename, or alternatively by double-clicking it, and then we might call this page here playground. Like this, we can confirm this with enter. Let's also rename page 1 here to relationships, as this is what this page was all about, and page 2 could be named measures here. So with this, we have a duplicate of our measures page, and here in this playground, we can now explore some of the core options.